This procedure is used to create cross tables or contingency tables. These tables are very useful for examining the relationship between two categorical variables. Basically, a crosstab contains the number of cases for all the possible combinations of the two variables. Let's go back to the employee data file and suppose that we have to study the relationship between the employee's gender and employment category. So our variables are gender and job cat. Since both of them are nominal, we will create a contingency table to visualize their association. To build this table, we must go to Analyze Descriptive Statistics Crosstabs. Click here. Now in this first window rows we will enter, for example, gender, and in the second window columns we will enter employment category, job cat. Before pressing OK, I will also click the button Cells and make a few more selections here, row, column and total in this section percentages. Let's press Continue now and then OK. Let's examine this table a bit. As you notice, each row has 4 lines. The first line presents the absolute number of cases in each group. For example, we have 206 female clerical employees and 10 female managers. The second line contains the percentages of the employment categories within each gender. For example, about 95% of the women are clerical employees, while about 4% of them are managers. The third line presents the percentages of the genders within each employment category. For example, about 56% of the clerical employees are women, and about 43% of them are men. Finally, the fourth line presents the percentages of each subgroup in the total sample. For example, about 43.5% of the employees are women clerical, about 2.1% of the employees are women managers, etc. Just by inspecting this table, without performing any statistical test, we can conclude that there is an association between gender and employment category. For instance, most women are clerical employees and very few women are managers, only 2% of them. Also, most managers are men, about 88%, and only 43% of the clerical workers are men. Also, all the custodial employees are men. Using an appropriate test, like chi-square for example, we can tell more precisely if there is a relationship between the two variables and how strong this relationship might be. We will approach this test in a future guide.